What's the deal? Summers here. We back again with another video, and today we're gonna be doing something a little different from what I usually do, which is music centered and vlogs and stuff. And we're gonna be talking about trading. The past 2 weeks, I've really been tapping in with trading, and I feel like it's been going fairly well after blowing 3 accounts. So let's hop into it, man. So what we're looking at right now is a practice account. And this is pretty much where you do your back testing of your strategies. Now, prior the first week of trading, I didn't really have a strategy. I was chasing trends, and whenever I saw momentum on a candle with volume, I'll hop in it. And prior to doing day trading futures, I knew the basics. I only knew, the resistance line, the support, buy the dip, sell the high. So that's all I knew, and that's what I was doing, prior to the first week. And I had some beginner's luck at the start out the gate. Came out swinging hard. So let's just see those stats right there. So I resetted this account like several times, back testing, but I started off last month, the 19th, 20th, and the 21st. So out the gate, I came swinging great. I was up I think I was up for the week 900. So I was feeling good. I was like, yo, this is easy. So, I got a little big headed. So, Monday come round the 24th, doing good. 25th, doing good. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to get a second account because I'm pretty good at trading, at least I thought. So I got a second account, and this is also around the time when I found out about copy trading, where you could essentially copy your trades from one account to the other accounts, and it essentially takes the same trade so you can have the same position. So I did that, and by the 26th, I blew both accounts. Around this time is when the market started getting really choppy, and the little method that I had wasn't working anymore, which was just trend chasing, which was a terrible idea, but hey, you live and you learn. So I resetted my combine on the 27th, and the combine is essentially, think of it as a test to prove that you're a profitable trader. And once you're a profitable trader, you can move to a funded account. So essentially, you're trying out for a league, and then once you get to that funded, you make the league, I'll say D1, and then at some point down the line, you get is it a live funded, or you get moved up to the bigger leagues. And that's pretty much like the NFL or MLB. But anyway, I resetted an account, and then by the 28th, I blew that account once again. Now, the reason I blew those accounts is because I was over leveraging, and I was getting very emotional with these trades. I was pretty much YOLOing and taking stupid trades I shouldn't have took. So I took a step back, and I was like, yo, I need to figure out a method that's going to keep me profitable. So let's go to the combine. So this is the combine. So right now, this is the total P&L. Trade percentage 56. All of that good stuff. Best trade. Winning trade. Average losing trade. Worst week. Oof, that hurt my heart. I was distraught. Okay. So yeah. Let's go to March. So after I blew the account once again, I was like, you know what? I need to take a step back and actually learn and stop just depending on luck and playing the lottery with this. Because this is essentially, trading is gambling if you're gambling. The common thing with trading is like, oh, you're just gambling money. It's only that if you play it like that. If you can manage your risk and and properly put on the size you need to earn and stop being greedy, you can be a profitable trader. So this is where I started to learn the weekend on top of the third and fourth, as you see, I took no trades here. I was like, you know what? I really need to tap in and learn. So this is where I started to learn about my strategy and why my strategy works. So I was going with the trend, and once I saw the momentum, that's when I hopped in a trade. So I discovered I was a momentum trader and sometimes a scalper, but not all the time. But with that, I discovered using the VWAP, the RSI, and pretty much volume bars. And that strategy started working for me very well. So picking up on the 5th, this is my first time using a strategy, so I didn't really necessarily know. I was just fine tuning it and playing around with it. And I started off terrible. Started off losing. I think the lowest was 160. But by the end of the day, I came back like that. I came back like that. Yeah, I came back like that. So I came back, and $44. You know, not the best, but it's something. It's better than going negative. And then the next 2 days is where it starts to really get bad. This really hurt my heart. So profit started off 76. Now, mind you, I should have just left it as it is. Once I got what I gotten out of it, I should have just walked away. But I couldn't. I was like, I need to earn more. And that's the issue when it comes to trading. When you think you need to earn more, that's when you lose more most of the time. So lo and behold, I started to lose. 199. That was crazy. Then this day here, oh man, I was like, bro, I don't think trading is for me. But you see, the thing about me, I don't give up. I may not get it today, tomorrow, next week, or a month from now, but I'm going to get it at some point. You can guarantee that. So super down bad. Then I really took another break, and I was like, you know what? Let's really lock in and let's discover why our method is working and why we do it, and really understand ourselves. Because trading is psychology, bro. I'm learning, like, it's very like psychological. If you get emotional, you're gonna start doing decisions that you should not. You're gonna start making decisions that you shouldn't be making. So you gotta be able to control your emotions, zen-like state when you're trading, and just let it flow. Let it flow. That's all it is. So following up the next week, which was this week so far, started out the 10 gate. The 10th started out the gate. Profit in 900, 5 trades, pretty good. Once I really started to understand my method, I was like, okay, I think I got it down packed now. And I started utilizing it, and I started like smacking them. Now, I was doing NQ, okay? These are full lots. I should have been doing micros, honestly. This wasn't the smartest thing to do, if I'm going to be completely honest, but by this point, I felt like the strategy was going to work, solely because I have some paper trading simulated apps that just run, and the strategy was hitting on that. So I was like, out the gate, we're just going to try it, because I've been doing very well on those sims. So, the next day followed up, boom, 1200. Then the next day, let's see, okay, yeah, I didn't really have nothing. Yeah, it was a profit day. So this day, the 200 day, is when I walked away. I was like, you know what, that's enough. We're not going to try anymore. And this week has been big. This week I've been big on just walking away once I get a certain amount of trades. So, I'm trying to stay consistent and disciplined about taking 5 to 10 trades. Today I took 15 trades. It's out of my rules, but let it slide for now. We got 900. But I'm going to show you. Starting at the gate of this day, I tried to take, what time was this? This was 5 o'clock, right? So yesterday at 5 o'clock, I took a trade, which was very stupid, especially for like my strategy, because I need volume. I need those sellers and buyers to have conviction when it comes to driving up those bars. And there was no volume. But because I've been having such a great day, I was like, I'm just going to take these trades. Let's see what's happening. And this is exactly what happened. Negative 200. Then I came back with some gains, negative 72. Then gain, then loss. So this slope right here is when I started to get very stupid. Once I got here, I was like very emotional. I was like, you know what? Breathe, calm down, recoup, trust your strategy. Because I think here is where I got scared and I backed out. And it's so funny because it's like, I don't know if you guys are familiar with video game reference, COD timing, or you can just be standing at a doorway waiting for somebody to come. And the minute you turn and walk away, that they come shooting at you and kill you. That's pretty much what this was like. It was going in a direction I didn't want it to go. I was losing a lot. So I exit. And the minute I exit, that boy shot straight up. So I was tight. But we kept it moving. So took another trade. We went up. We went down. And we went up big time on this one. So as you can tell, I took some micros. I don't recommend taking NQ, but the only reason why I took NQ is because it was the night session, and I feel like the night session is way more manageable at the moment for me, considering that like during the day trades, bro, it's like super volatile and super crazy. And the only time I take any trades in a day is typically micros, because like that's manageable for me. I can't handle that. I know I will blow out count if I try to take full size lots of NQ or ES during the day. So that's not what I'm going to be doing. So I've been finding a lot of profit at night. So I think I'm going to stick to that for now because it's working for now. With the tariff news and all of these different, I like to call it chaotic simulations that's causing a market to drop with all the fear and greed. Yeah, I'm staying away from a lot of that. I'm just taking little small doses and then see what I can get in the nighttime. But all those green days were up 3,388. And yeah, man, I'm excited. I'm very excited. We're going to keep rocking. I'm going to probably take some trades tonight and see where we are at. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video though.